Hello friends. Today is Chuseok in Korea. So Chuseok is basically the biggest harvest festival here. Like in USA and Western countries we have Thanksgiving. In India also different regions we have different festivals. For example, in UP and Bihar area we have this Chhat festival in which we worship God with the latest offerings from the latest harvest, that is like new rice and the sugar cane and coconut and all those fruits of the season. So it's the similar kind of tradition here in Korea, in which generally nowadays most of the young generation they live in big cities like Seoul and Busan, but the old generation they are living in smaller cities or maybe in villages. So they like during this Chuseok festival they have holidays for 3 days and sometimes longer. So they use these holidays to visit their hometowns. So everyone will generally in the villages and small towns only Haraboji and Halmoni, the grandfather and grandmother, they live in that traditional house. So everyone will visit their house and they will basically it's a like opportunity. It's an opportunity to meet everyone. And the main function of this festival was the main purpose of this festival was to thank the ancestors for their blessings. So this festival is celebrated on the 15th of 8th month of lunar calendar. Generally January, February, these months are from solar calendar, but here they follow the lunar calendar for traditional festivals. Like in India also, I think most of the festivals that we follow our own calendar, Hindu calendar or Muslim calendar for Muslim festivals. So so all the people will visit their hometowns and they will have a worship ceremony which they call Charye. So they organize a Charye where they will place all the fruits and vegetables and meat and all traditional alcohol and all these things, offerings for their ancestor. They will organize a worship and they will pay their respects to the ancestors, and yeah, that's it. And generally there are some things that are like you have to eat those things on Chuseok day. They are like considered auspicious. So one of them is a tok. So it's basically like made of rice flour, and they fill in something like red bean paste with honey, or sometimes the sesame seeds, sometimes dried this persimmon. So there are different varieties of tok. They call it tok rice cakes. So that is like considered good to eat on the day of Chuseok. That is one thing. And another thing is yukwa. That is also made of some rice and some honey or sugar or something like that. So most of the things are made traditionally in homes with the latest harvest. And yeah, shike is one traditional drink that they make with rice. So these are all the traditional snacks that they eat on this day. And they also share gifts. It's a tradition that you have to give gifts like we do in Diwali in India. So today my landlord, they are basically two people, grandpa and grandmother, very old couple, 80 years old, I think 80 plus. They live on the ground floor and we are living on this first floor. So the Haraboji came today and they have given me this big pack of, this is a traditional snack of Korea and it's very delicious actually. So this is one thing that he has given. Then he has given this something like some kim or something, fried kim, I think. Yeah, and then this big box of, oh my god, choco pie. I told him that I won't be able to eat all this, but still he insisted, and he's very old and very kind, so it's I don't feel good to refuse things. Sometimes like in the evening I am sure he will come with a big tray filled with all the things that the grandma will make, but most of the things I can't eat because they contain pork and beef and all those things. So I feel bad to refuse, and but I also feel bad to accept it and throw it away later. So I just I'll tell him that just give it like maybe one or two, just for the symbolic purpose that I'm accepting it. And yeah, but yeah, it's a festival where people share gifts. It's about caring and family and community and all these things. So nowadays, because of corona situation, most of the people, they are not able to go to their hometowns. Even the government has requested people to just avoid visiting your places to contain the spread of corona. So yeah, these are difficult times, but still, I can feel the festivity in the air, in the streets. Like I can smell all the foods being cooked around. And yeah, so and one more thing is, like, they have traditional games and all. When they visit their hometowns, they will have some particular types of dances where the all the women and everyone will wear hanbok, the traditional dress, and the women and the children, they will do a dance while singing the traditional song. That is, like, there is a song Kangang Sulle. So they will just hold hands and then they will dance in circle or something like that. So that is all the information that I wanted to share with you, and I want to say happy Chuseok to all of you. I wish that all of you are happy and healthy and prosper in your lives. So thank you.